Thank you so much for tuning into my channel once again. If it is your first time, welcome. If you are already a part of my YouTube family, thank you so much for the support. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. So this is my first crocheting wig tutorial. I've never done one of these before, and I just thought I'd give it a try, and there was a few little bumps and what have you, but it kind of worked out okay. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this and how I made this wig, please keep watching. So I'm not sure what the wig needle is called. I'm gonna call it a wig needle. I guess the ventilation needle. Don't come for me with this. I'm not really quite sure what the name of it is, but I'm just basically using a crocheting hook. This one is really, it's the smallest one that I've personally found, and I got this at my local beauty store. So what I've gone ahead and done, I've basically done a good amount of the hair, so I'm just going to show you guys what I did. I just do like a regular install, except I use finer pieces of hair. Also, just for an outline, I use a bit of concealer at the front here, so that way it could look a bit more natural, like it could match my complexion. And see what I meant? Like, even though I'm not using like a ventilation needle, it looks okay. So I mean, this is an option, you can still use a crocheting hook, but just to make like really small insertion and like use like really thin strands of hair. Of course, it's very time consuming. I think this took me, I'm gonna say, about 9-10 hours. Yeah. going to do a different curl pattern, as you can see right here. I didn't really like how it looked. And by the way, I thought I'd tell you guys about this wig cap, right? The reason I'm showing you this is because this is a wig cap that I used, and what I didn't take note of is that it said it's a stretch mesh, right? This is what it looks like when it said stretchy. So unless you have a gynotor head, which I don't think anybody does, but unless you want that loose fit for your head, then okay, this. So I basically honestly had to take the wig and take a big portion of it and just sew it, right? So this is what the hair turned out to look like. And to tell you the truth, I didn't want to share this video because I didn't think I did a good job, right? And because the hair didn't really turn out as how I thought it would turn out. This is the hair that I used. It's the Model Bahama curl. So if you can see that there. I use the number 4 as well as the number 27. So you can mostly see the 27 because that's what I was kind of going for. But I don't know. I just think it's way too poofy for me. Right, so I'll show you the back of it here. Right? Maybe it's not the greatest, but it's my first crochet wig, so it works. So what I'm going to do is I am going to try and thin this out and see what I can get done. So guys, if you learned something from this video today, please let me know in the comment section, or if you have any suggestions as to what I could have done differently, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate it. As well, please support my channel. I would really and truly, it would mean a lot to me. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this. And I will see you in my next video, God willing, and bye for now.